What if I told you that people are earning Rs 1,000 plus per day using AI tools that anyone can access right now? While most people are still figuring out AI, smart entrepreneurs are already cashing in. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools that are generating serious income in 2025 and exactly how you can start using them to make money online. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale your existing business, these tools are game changers. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. And no, this isn't just about writing essays. Smart freelancers are using ChatGPT to offer premium services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Here's what's making money. AI-powered copywriting services. Businesses desperately need sales pages, email sequences, and social media content. With ChatGPT, you can deliver high-quality copy in minutes instead of hours. Real income potential. Freelancers are charging Rs 2,000, 5,000 per project for AI-enhanced copywriting services. One freelancer I know scaled to Rs 50,000 per month just by positioning himself as an AI copywriting specialist. Quick start strategy. Create service packages like AI-optimized product descriptions or social media content bundles. The key is positioning yourself as the strategic brain behind the AI, not just someone copy-pasting ChatGPT responses. Next is 11 Labs, the AI voice revolution. This tool creates incredibly natural-sounding voiceovers that are virtually indistinguishable from human speech. Money-making opportunities. Voiceover services are in massive demand. YouTube creators, course creators, and businesses need professional narration. But hiring voice actors is expensive and time-consuming. Income streams. Sell voiceover services on Fiverr starting at Rs 1,500 per project. Create audiobook narrations for authors on ACX. Offer multilingual voiceovers for global businesses. Pro tip. Many creators are building entire faceless YouTube channels using 11 Labs. Some channels are earning Rs 10,000 plus monthly from ad revenue alone. Create audiobook narrations, explainer voiceovers, and more. Fast, scalable, and low cost. Start with a single niche: e-learning, ads, or audiobooks. Midjourney and similar AI image generators are creating a visual content boom. The demand for custom graphics, social media visuals, and digital art has exploded. Profitable services. Custom logo design for small businesses. Social media graphics packages. Digital art for print-on-demand products. Stock photo creation for websites. Success story. Designers are selling AI-generated social media templates on Etsy for Rs 500, 2,000 each. One seller reported Rs 25,000 plus monthly revenue. Scaling strategy. Build design packages like Complete Brand Identity or 30-day social media graphics bundle. Position yourself as a creative director who uses AI to deliver faster, more affordable solutions than traditional designers. Synthesia is revolutionizing video creation. This AI tool generates professional videos with realistic avatars. No cameras, actors, or editing skills required. Money-making methods, corporate training videos, educational content for online courses, marketing videos for local businesses, YouTube automation channels. Market opportunity. Businesses pay Rs 5,000, 15,000 for simple explainer videos. With Synthesia, you can create these in under an hour. Winning approach. Target local businesses first. Restaurants, gyms, and service providers need video marketing but can't afford professional video production. You become their affordable solution. Package templates, upsell voiceovers, and translations to boost margins. Finally, Notion AI, the productivity tool that's helping freelancers work smarter, not harder. Freelancers using Notion AI report 40% faster project completion because they're not wasting time on administrative tasks. Service opportunity. Offer AI-powered business setup services where you create automated Notion workspaces for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Charge Rs 3,000, 8,000 per setup. The AI gold rush is happening right now, and these tools are just the beginning. Start with one tool, master it, then scale. Which tool caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this helped you see the money-making potential of AI, smash that subscribe button for more practical AI business strategies.